In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Facebook group for business in 2026, step by step. To get started, open the Facebook app on your phone or head to facebook.com on desktop. If you're on mobile, tap the menu icon. If you're on desktop, click Groups. From there, select Create New Group to begin setting everything up. Next, enter a group name that clearly reflects your business, brand, or niche. This is important because your name should instantly help people understand what the group is about. After that, choose your privacy setting. A public group allows anyone to find the group and view posts, while a private group means only members can see what's shared inside. Depending on your goals, you can also choose whether the group should be visible or hidden. A visible group can be found in search, while a hidden one is more exclusive. Once that's done, invite a few friends, team members, or clients to join. This helps your group feel active right from the beginning. Then click or tap Create Group. Now it's time to customize your group so it looks polished and professional. Upload a cover photo and profile image that match your branding. This creates a stronger first impression and helps the group feel connected to your business. Then write a clear group description explaining the purpose of the group, who it's for, and what members can expect when they join. You'll also want to add group rules. Rules help set expectations early and can make your community easier to manage as it grows. After that, choose relevant group features that support the kind of experience you want to create. Useful options include guides, featured posts, anonymous posts if that fits your audience, and membership questions to help screen new members. With the setup complete, focus on growing your business community by sharing valuable content consistently. This can include tips and tutorials, behind-the-scenes updates, live videos, polls, and discussion posts. The goal is to create a space that feels useful, active, and worth returning to. As new people join, welcome them and encourage introductions. This helps members feel included and makes the group more community-driven. Be sure to engage with comments and answer questions promptly, because active leadership encourages more participation. To grow the group further, promote it through your Facebook page, your website, your email list, and your other social media platforms. Finally, review group insights regularly to see which content performs best, so you can adjust your strategy and keep improving your results over time.